Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the part of the world where you're watching this from. I'm your favorite host, Bebo King, and this is another Sunday, another weekend for us to review British pounds, American dollar. I trust your week has been great. I trust it has been profitable for you as it has been for me. This is our 25th week of review, and I'm really excited because by next week we'll be exactly 50% done with the entire year, and this project is running for an entire year. So that's like 50% accomplishment. Okay. So, in order of how I do things, first and foremost, I would like to wish my Muslim brothers and sisters happy Eid Mubarak. And secondly, I would like to wish all the men out there, all the fathers, happy Father's Day. We celebrate our Muslim brothers and we celebrate our fathers, the men in our lives, the men who sacrifice a whole lot to make sure that we're good and we're well and we're all right. So if there's a man, a father, someone you respect, an elder brother, an uncle, just take some time out to reach out to them to appreciate them for the things they've been doing for you. Okay. Now, my word today it's one of love, right? And it's taken from the book of John, chapter 13, chapter 13, 13, 13. John chapter 13. Oh, Jesus Christ. John chapter 13, verse 34, right? And in 34, it says, "A new commandment I give you, love one another as I have loved you, so you must love one another." Now, why am I saying this? Right now, the whole world, even in your area, that there are a lot of people who are brewing bitterness and hatred and toxicity. There are a lot of things going on around. You see where people are saying, "Oh, this guy, he has money more than me," so they start envying. You see instances where people are like, "Ah, these people, they are doing well," they start showing bitterness towards people. But the Bible says, as Christians, we need to love one another, right? And that's the reason why I'm celebrating my Muslim brothers today. Because even though we're not of the same faith, I still love them as God has commanded me to, right? I love our fathers, I love our mothers, I love our children. So try today, try this week to share love, not hatred, not bitterness, not envy, not anger. Just spread some love so that we can have some positivity in the atmosphere. The whole environment is choking with evil and bitterness and envy. We need some love, okay? So, and promise me you're going to do that this week, okay? All right, so let's go into our chat. Somebody help me shout hallelujah. I'm going to start from the 4 hour time frame, and the reason why I'm doing that is because I don't think we need to go to the daily time frame because we've been saying the same thing over and over again. All right, I'm going to start from where we started from. We started from here, and this point is where we had a market structure shift or a change from the bearish move on the 4 hour time frame to a bullish move. Then after this, we had a double bottom here, or let's say a triple bottom somewhere around here, right? Let me change this to white. Let me change this to black, right? And let me make this a bit deeper. That will come out well, okay? So we had a double bottom here or triple bottom. The market bounced there, bounced there, bounced there before the market took off again, and we had a break of structure here, right? Like a continuation of the bullish move, right? And after we did this, I mentioned something. I said we had an area down here that is unmitigated. And the reason why I say it's unmitigated is because the market has not come to tap into the zone. And aside from here, we also have an area of interest here, which normally I would mark as my buy low area, right? And the reason why I'm marking it as my buy low area is because if I believe that the market is bullish, meaning that the market is pushing up, I would be expecting the market to give me a deep pullback before a continuation. So the area I'm expecting the market to pull into is where I call my buy low area. Okay, so this is how I trade, and basically what I'll be looking for would be opportunities to buy from here and ride the market to the upside. For those that are on my Telegram group, they understand what I'm talking about. If you're not following me on Telegram, if you're not in the Telegram channel, please do yourself a favor and join the Telegram group. The channel link would be in the description below. I'm doing a whole lot more. I'm doing a lot more trainings, a lot more explanations. I'm doing midweek reviews that I post there. I think I want to start giving signals, but I'm not sure yet. I'm still trying to make a decision, and we do things together. So they're trying to help me decide. You get now. For about 20 days. Hold on, let me check. So from this point, right? Yeah, for about 20-30 days now, I've been expecting that this market was going to pull back into the zone. So all my videos for the last 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I've been saying, oh, I'm expecting the market to drop, and the market has been shaming me. The market has been washing my ass out there. Why did I say this? First and foremost, the market did not come into any of my key areas, right? The market just kept bouncing up, and it kept bouncing up. And because I trade on the 15 minutes time frame, I was able to pay attention to something. So for example, this market just came to close out this box on Friday, right? But before then, the market has been pushing upwards. Let me zoom in a bit, right? The market has been pushing upwards, giving us higher highs without necessarily coming into the zone. So this has been a choppy move, and the reason why it has been a choppy move is because the market did not give precise movement of what the market intended doing. Okay, so this is here, and then we had one more break to the higher high, right? So this was also a break, right? Now the thing there is, if you're expecting a bullish move, say that you're expecting the market to do like this, at some point before this market comes down, there has to be a change of direction somewhere around here before the market pulls down and then continues moving back up. So definitely, as the market was pushing up, I was expecting the market to create a lower low. Now here, the market then creates a lower low here, right? Rather, what did the market do? The market respected the order block zone here. This is an order block, right? Aside from here, the market respected another order block here, and it didn't come low here, right? So this moved here, right? And after this, the market now created another order block here, right? And what now happened? The market tapped into the zone. Now remember that this was the last low. What do I mean by this? In this choppy move, the market came from here, right, to here, and then came here to this point, and then pushed up here and came to this point, right, before pushing up here, right? So this was the last low, and as you can see here, the market has done what? Broken out of this low, which makes this area my area of what? Interest. Now, why is it my area of interest? Because we currently have a market structure shift here, right? So the market has broken below this level, which tells me that the market is now ready to do what? Move to the downside. Okay, let me take this one off. So this is the first time the market is breaking below this level. Now, what am I expecting for this week? I'm expecting that the market might tap in a bit, then pull down, right, to confirm this break. Then after it confirms this break, I'll be expecting it to pull up to an area of interest, maybe somewhere around here, right, before the market moves down. But basically, I'm expecting that the market will be what? Bearish. That's what I'm expecting for this week. Okay. I'm expecting that the market will be bearish because the market has broken out of this structure. The market has created a lower low. So we had a high, low, higher low, higher high, and this higher high has broken this low and this low. Okay, this was the last low. Then the market now did what? Created a new low here, and it did not just break this low, it also broke the previous low. So this is like a double break, right? One break, two breaks. So it tells me that yes, the sellers are ready to move this market down. So what I'm expecting is maybe on Monday we may have a slight pullback, then a proper closure below this level, and after the closure below this level, I'll be expecting the market to pull up. Okay, to pull up. Now this is an order block level or an area of interest for me, right? Somewhere around here. So I would like to see the market's reaction around here. Now, I want to state this as a warning or a note. The fact that I'm expecting the market to come here does not make me ignorant of the fact that the market can still come down here. So for this week, I'm going to be looking for sales maybe from here. I could take this counter trend trade, but I'll be looking, this will be my main trade for this week if it happens this week or next week, and sell the market down to this point. Now from here, I want to see either a change in direction or a break to this actual zone before we actually move up. Okay, so please take note of this point I've spoken about. The market has confirmed a change. How has the market confirmed the change? We had a break of structure here because this was the last low, this was the new low, this was the last high, this was a new low, then it created a higher high. So this is where the market structure change took place, right? This was where the structure change took place. This is where we have our market structure shift. However, what makes this more comforting is the fact that it didn't just break this low, it broke this previous low as well, and even broke this low to this point. So it broke 1, 2, 3 lows, and it came to this point. So from here, I want to see the market maybe on Monday break properly below, then pull back either to here or to somewhere around here, because we also have an order block up here, right? We have an order block up here. So I would like to see either the market will pull up to this point or this point and then fall. Dependent on how deep the pullback is, the market may react to this point or this point. Okay, so that's all I have for now. Please ensure you join the Telegram group so that you can take advantage of the live sessions or the midweek sessions that I would be having with some of the traders on the platform. And I wish you all a profitable week ahead. Next week, by the time we are meeting next week, we would have done about 50% of the year 2024. I hope you're excited. I hope you're learning along with me. I hope you've been profitable. Until next week, I remain your favorite host, Bearable King. Bye bye.